Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a certified 2022 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS. This bike has just under 1,000 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then I'll fire it up for you. This bike is still basically brand new and looks it. Tires are in great shape, plenty of miles left on them. Comes with the carbon fiber front fender, bar end mirrors, frame sliders, front axle sliders, and a passenger seat cowl with a passenger seat. Same with the rear tire, great shape, plenty of miles left on that. And again, there's our passenger seat cowl. Passenger seat not pictured. Frame slider. Front axle slider. And our bar end mirror again. So really nice and clean. And unfortunately, I don't know how to pull the miles up on this thing, so we're just going to start it and run it. Set the camera down here. This 2022 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS is a certified motorcycle, which means it will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.